Match the pictures with words. Words starting with A. Pictures. Words. What is that picture? Yes, it's an apple. What is that picture? Yes, it's an ant. What is the third picture? Yes, it's an aeroplane. What is the fourth picture? Yes, it's an arrow. What is the picture? Yes, it's an axe. What is the second picture? Yes, it's an arm. What is the third picture? Yes, it's an ambulance. What is the next picture? Yes, it's an avocado. Like, subscribe, and share.